on my way to Precision Design. They are formerly known as Precision Dynamics, but yeah, I'm headed over there to do both an oil change and the exhaust install. Funny thing is, I actually have the exhaust right there. If you could see it, it's the big box that's taking up the whole rear section. So here's the exhaust. Most of it's right here, but the tips and the electronics are right here. But this is what the actual stock exhaust looks like. So here it is. Hopefully this sounds a lot better, but shout out to Valve Exhaust for working with me to get this done, and we're gonna see how it sounds. Out with the old, probably way heavier than this exhaust, but yeah, there's the stock exhaust off. Going on here to set up the valve exhaust, just so that we can close and open it at a push of a button. But I'm excited to get this fully done. One of the sides of the mufflers are on. This should be on pretty soon. So yeah, excited to see how it looks. So here's how it's looking without the carbon tips. But as you can tell, it looks way smaller than the stock muffler, so we're gonna be expecting some good sounds out of this. Ooh, alright, let's try that
from the outside. You see it opening.
Oh, nice. Okay, they work. Clean. So we have the inner exhaust tips on. Looks pretty good. Maybe needs some adjusting to be done, but we're gonna get it finalized pretty soon. The system is on now. The tips are a little bit extended too far out, so I'm probably gonna have to reach out to them to get shorter ones. But overall, the exhaust system looks good. I'm sure it sounds good as well, but we're going to the oil change now. Listen to it right now, it's open, and then we're gonna close it. Wow. that's gonna be the end of the video. It's just a quick sound test. I know it's not like the full POV and also like everything, including like revs and I guess pulls and stuff, but for this video, that's gonna be it. Just the cold start, some revs when it was installed, and the installation. As you can see, the tips do stick out a little bit too much, and that is because they accidentally sent me E92 M3 tips instead of E90, and E92s actually are longer, so that wouldn't look so weird on an E92. But the company was awesome enough to send out a replacement, so yeah, this is going to be really good. I can't wait to get the final setup, and we'll see if in the future maybe I need more loud. We can work something out with valve exhaust, but yeah, shout out to them again for working with me, and I can't wait to get the full sound out of this. Comment your thoughts on the new setup, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.